Would you like to have a gasoline lighter like Zippo lighters? So this video is for you. In this video, you will learn how to make a lighter with recycled materials. First, we cut a part of the bottle and sand the plastic edge with a sandpaper. We connect the bottle cap to the previous part using thermal glue. We make a hole in the bottle cap using a soldering iron. We take an aluminum foil and shape it around the pen. We put the aluminum foil in the hole of the bottle cap and fix it with glue. We connect the spark of an already broken lighter to aluminum foil using copper wire. Shape some of the cotton according to the video. After you have shaped the cotton, put it inside the aluminum file and add some gasoline to the bottle cap to be used as fuel. Subscribe for useful and amazing techniques. Thanks for watching this video.